Introducing ServerSage, an autonomous AI systems administrator. ServerSage works alongside your IT administration team as a virtual teammate, able to navigate file systems, troubleshoot errors, perform standard Linux sysadmin tasks, and much more. ServerSage runs on any cloud-based virtual machine, on-premise servers, or even local desktops running any flavor of Linux. In today's demonstration, we'll be using a local Ubuntu VM running on VirtualBox on a laptop. As you can see on my screen, I have a browser opened to the ServerSage application, as well as the Documents folder opened on my VirtualBox VM. Now, I'm going to go ahead and type in a question to check if ServerSage is connected and able to see the folders in my VM. Because ServerSage is actually checking the file system and occasionally taking multiple steps to accomplish the task, it is not unusual to have to wait a bit for the completion confirmation. Okay, we have a response from ServerSage confirming that it's connected and able to view the contents of the Documents folder. Now, I'm going to go ahead and type in a follow-up question about the contents of the Spreadsheets folder. We'll let it run, and let's see if it comes back with the correct details. Ah, perfect. It's come back with the names of the documents found in the folder, as well as a description for each. Let's navigate back to the VirtualBox VM and verify that the documents exist. Now that we've verified that the document list is correct, let's go ahead and see if ServerSage is able to read the contents of the Excel spreadsheet. Excel is not something that is easily read, so ServerSage will use a script that it has written to obtain a summary. As you can see, ServerSage has successfully gotten the details from the spreadsheet, correctly summarizing the count of each product. However, it has also noticed that there are certain rows with product codes that contain additional identifiers that may or may not be relevant. We'll now ask it to ignore the additional information and send us a final tally of the HMC 245 product. While we wait for ServerSage to respond, it is a good time to point out some additional features that we've built in. To the right, you'll be able to open a document viewer where we can see a history of commands that ServerSage has executed. The command history is a useful tool for human administrators to audit each command and to see what goes on behind the scenes. Okay, great. ServerSage has come back with a quantity count of 154 for the HMC 245 product. Let's go to the spreadsheet in the VirtualBox VM and do a manual count. Here's the spreadsheet, and as you can see, it's got two columns, one with the product code mixed in with descriptions and the other with the order quantity. Because of the additional identifiers in the same cell, I am unable to do a filter on the product code column. So I am going to manually do a count by selecting each cell by hand and looking at the total sum. As you can see here on the bottom right, ServerSage has correctly obtained the count of 154 units of the HMC 245 product. This concludes our first demonstration, autonomously navigating file systems and interacting with complex files. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates and demonstrations.